Yes, sir.
अस्तिको क्लासमा के थियो? What was the last class? Can you summarize?
Sir, I was not present the last class. The last to last class, we studied about sociology, social evils, and social uh, definition of sociology and all, sir.
Oh, you didn't share the this materials to our other friends? You did get?
No, sir, I did not get any material, sir.
Okay, Ayush, can you share summarize the last class? Ayush Adhikari. Hello. Bhaskar. Hello. Hello. Okay, please summarize the last class. Now we are going to start this first class. Okay, today we are going to the function of the family in health and disease. Okay, function of the family in health and disease. Okay, what kinds of function carried out by the family in the regarding the health, regarding the disease. Health and disease is not the same thing. It is different. Okay. Diseases, you can define the disease. Can you define the disease? Health. And you can define the health. Okay, what is health?
Social, mental, and well-being.
Oh, okay. That is a clinical. This is medical point of view. Okay, then the social point of view. What is health?
Socially sound,
Socially sound. Yeah.
aware of social duties and responsibilities.
Aware of social duties. Okay. Okay. Other? Ed, anyone other? Okay. Then the family is a group of biological related individuals and the pretty universal picture in all societies. Without any sort of, so without a family, no society, no universal, social universal. I am talking about the social universal. But for the universal, no need of any creature. But the social universal, we need the creature. We need humanity. That's okay. Humanity provides the universe for social point of view. Okay, the important function of the family from the health behavior and sociological point of view. Now we are discussing about the sociological point of view. Health behavior. Okay, and the this function of family. Okay, now the number one main function of the family in health and disease, child rearing. Okay, child rearing is the biological process through different rules and regulations in different places and time, level of knowledge, technology, and the system of value. It is passing on generation to generation. Okay, child in our society, in everyone society, child rearing is the one of the main function of the family, because in this regarding child bearing, there are multiple health matters, health problem, health issue. Okay, different social issue regarding the this health. If the one female could not give their birth of child, okay, at that time the female is counted as a what? Female is counted as a number one. Two. It is needed. It is most necessary to give a birth of child, because without birth, no society feeling, no community feeling. Okay, all this invention, everything will be stopped if there is a no birth of child. Okay. Nowadays, some technology has come to give a, if there is no substitute, then what to do? Okay, if where there is a no child in the house will be what? Like a lonely house will be like a lonely. There is no any charming of the house. Okay, the child is necessary in the house. That's why the female will provide this opportunity for that house to become a family. Okay, that's why this is a very very tedious job also. It is a passing to one generation to the one generation because it is continue process. Okay, child care is more primitive in the east. Start from on demand and the feeds from the breast milk. Child care is more rigid and confined to a sets of value. Okay, this uh, it is on demand. Rearing is the child rearing and child rearing is the on demand. Okay, this is the more rigid means it is tedious. It is a social value, confined set of values. Okay, okay. Next one is the function of the family is socialization. Socialization is the other important function of the family. Family has an important role to make a stream of newborn barbarians to human. To make the one flesh and bloods to make a human being, it is very, very difficult task. Okay, but in the family, this opportunity will provide from the family to be a human. That flesh and blood, can become a human in family. Okay, this opportunity provides from family. By socialization, it's meant teaching the value of society and transmitting information from the general mechanism of this reward and punishment. Through the social control mechanism will continue through reward and punishment. Okay, that's why if the person is not totally socialized, it is there are multiple problems in the life. Okay, it is very difficult to exist in the society. It is very difficult to understand others. It is very difficult to know the others. It is difficult to share the others. Okay, that's why if there is a no this kind of socialization. Now, why we are studying the social science means why we need the social science because whatever we learn, how to share, whom to share, what to share. Okay, what they have they need, how to find out their needs. Okay, how to find out their hobbies. Okay, how to find out their problems. That's why it is easy task. When if the proper socialization is there, then it is a very very proper task to them to understand. Okay, you are hearing me? Hello.
Yes, sir.
You are hearing? Okay, very very okay. But how to socialize the child? How to socialize this audible stage of size child? How to socialize the anal stage of the child? Socialize this adolescence, pre-adolescence stage of life. How to socialize the early adolescence? Okay, how to socialize the middle adolescence? Okay, and then they how to socialize the late adolescence, and okay, how to socialize the young, okay, young old, okay, how to socialize the old, okay, how to socialize the old age people, old people. Okay, that is there are three types of old: young old, and age old. Okay, old. There are also well, like the young is divided in different strata. Same to the this old age is also different, divided in different strata. They like your old, okay, young old, and the age old. Age old means plus 70, okay, plus this young old 50 to 60, 60 to 70 old. Okay, like this, it is divided into different category. That category is treated in different way. Then they what we treat the plus 80, what we treat the 1 to 5 years child, they above 80 we have to treat like this. Okay, this process will come in socialization process. How to understand the you age of the people. Okay, how to treat the age of people, how to respect the age of people. Okay, this comes through the socialization process. Okay. Okay, next third one, this socialization, this function of the family in heritage personality formation. Okay, it is very important task to form the personality. How to form the personality? You know personality. What is personality? How it forms, how you stand, how you wear, how you talk, how you communicate, how you understand to others, what the others understand about you, how to show your performance, how do you speak. Okay, these are the visible personality, and there is some invisible personality. Okay, talent. Okay, then your loyalty. Okay, your some how you treat others, how to show your behaviors to others. That is invisible personality. Okay, that comes through it is the function of the family. How the family provide the information, how the family act this on regarding this one. When the child, if some family will beat the child, some family are the better baby syndrome is comes in the family. Okay, how the family react to child, same kinds of character will come to the child also. Okay, then that reaction that makes the child aware about how to react. If you react good, if you badly react or assault them, they will learn assaulting others. Okay, this is how the family provide the opportunity to develop the personality. Okay, this is basic process which is based on experience. Okay, it is very basic, but the basis on the experience, knowledge, physical, mental, technological. Okay, to the sibling. If there is a sibling, if you are some mistakenly, okay, if you partiality for one each other, okay, if they know, they will think about it and they will learn to pass again about the partiality. Okay, and they they can become the disadvantage. Then advantage and disadvantage, it is learning phase. At that time, if the family provide this kinds of situation to for the advantage and disadvantage, or for some personality, or from nonsense to others, then the child will learn about it, and the child develop the like these kinds of nonsense characteristics also in their life. Okay, family acts as a placenta, excluding various influences, modify, etc. Okay, family is the center place. Family is the center place where the good things, bad things will jumbly collected there. And the family will teach which one is best, which one is good, and which one is the just we have. Okay, then if there is all things is not favoring to us, and how to modify it, how to familiar, how to make the familiar to us, how to make the adjustable to in that particular situation, it gives the opportunity to form the personality. Okay, Bhaskar, you are understanding? Hello, Bhaskar. Bhaskar, Bhanu Pratap. Hello, Bhanu Pratap. Hello, Prajol. Hello, Prajol. Tina. Hello, Ayush. Hello, Bhanu Pratap. Hello, hello, hello.
हजुर सर सुनिया छ सर
प्रज्वल होइन को बोलेको हेलो
हजुर सर
को टिना
होइन
मैले यहाँ थियो देखाएको छैन हेलो सुनिँदैछ क्लियर छ आवाज क्लियर छ भोइस इज क्लियर
क्लियर छ सर क्लियर छ
यस सर
ओके कहाँ हराइरहेको छ कतिजना हराइरहेको छ किन हराएको ओके the fourth one the function of the family fourth one function of the family is how to care the dependents care of depending adults okay this is also another important function of the family okay how to care of sick and injured care of woman during pregnancy and the childbirth recognize the dependency maternity leave, financial support from government, NGO, nutritional supplements, how to cure if there is a function, if there are multiple members in the family, okay, who is sick, who is injured, and how to treat the injured, how to provide replace their work. Main task of the family is that each person is doing their responsibility. Okay, then they will if the person became sick, if the person became injured, then they will replace their tasks. How to provide them the leisure time to for the their health. Like sick people cannot carry out their function. Okay, we'll take care of that person's tax. Okay, then the family is the responsible for that to carry out that work also. If injured people is injured, like some people are member is plowing, then there is some injured in their his leg, hands, and he could not cannot plow. That's who will replace him. Okay, if the person is some person are became this functionless. Okay, bedridden. Okay, at that time who will take care of it? If one person is sick there, then other person is need to take care the person. During this situation, Now this is also the one of these sick and injured situation like Nepal. Now due to this coronavirus, now this is all the people are sick. Not all the ill, but all the people are sick, isn't it? Okay, everybody are sick now. Everybody are talking about this communicable disease. Okay, easily communicable disease. That's why they are injured means who are victimized. They are injured. They cannot carry out any function. Okay, due to the sickness and due to the illness. Illness is the most this ill period where when that person cannot carry out their function. Okay, sick period, if they will get the proper this suggestion, proper guideline, the sick people can carry out function. But the ill people or the injured people cannot carry out the function. Okay, care of woman during pregnancy. Okay, the pregnancy is the one of the very risk period of the woman. That's why they need some extra this rest, extra food, okay, and the extra some counseling. Who will provide this opportunity, extra food, extra counseling, and the extra this other risk covering situation. Okay, childbirth. Okay, and the woman is going to give the childbirth. Okay, then how to care labor, where to check up, how many this prenatal checkup, how many prenatal checkup is needed, and that how what is your age, how the child brought in the wombs, okay, and what is the condition of the wombs child in wombs, okay, and then they recognize the dependency. How much dependency is there? How is the situation? Okay, how much independent can show, and how much dependency is there? Bedridden, then they carry out normal function, carry out the very life function. What kinds of this situation? Okay, then the maternity leave. Then the if a person is giving child, early labor and late labor, prenatal and postnatal leave. How much days is needed in a culture and society. Some society is providing the 7 days leave. The 7 days then I cannot carry out any function except caring the child, that her babies. Okay, some 11 days. Some societies provide this 22 days, and this government has provided nowadays the 90 days, 3 months maternity leave to care their health, to care their babies. Okay, and even the male person or the male person also getting this leave 15 days leave on different government and non-government organization. Okay, then the nutritional supplements. How to provide this pregnant woman nutritional supplements? This early birth or the infants. If the mother could not supply sufficient her breast milk, then what supplements is needed? What kinds of supplements we have? And then these supplements also provide by the family members, and then according to their demands. Okay, then the main task is the cure injured, pregnant, this prenatal, postnatal periods, persons how to decrease their responsibility, and they who will fulfill their responsibility during this period. That the families will decide it. Family has the right. Family is the falcon of this situation to manage their families. Okay, care of the aged and handicapped. Okay, then how to care the aged people, handicapped people who cannot. Some people are mental retarded. Some people will be who are the different or dysfunction of the different organs. Okay, some are this different other problems. Some are deaf. Okay, some are the these blinds. How to take care regarding this problem families. Okay, okay. Stabilization of about the personality. Stabilization of the personality. Okay. In this function, this is the fifth function of the family. Then you can read this some points in the park and park also. That is a function of the family in health and disease. Okay, you can read there also. Then some materials is collected from your parks and parks also. Okay, family is the shock observer. How to shock observed by the family member? Shock observer. At what time the shock observer is needed? In which time you need this litmus paper? Rajul, can you explain? At what time you need the litmus paper?
हजुर सर
लिटमस पेपर कतिखेर चाहिन्छ तिमीहरूलाई? कतिखेर हामी लिटमस पेपर युज गर्छौँ?
सर लिटमस सर अब एसिड बेसमा चेन्ज भएको भएन भन्दाखेरि त्यतिखेर चेन्ज
हैन? ओके, शक अब्जर्भ गर्ने, शकलाई कसरी अब्जर्भ गर्ने त? हाउ टु अब्जर्भ द शक?
सर अब काउन्सिलहरु गरेर होला नि सर। अब यो स्ट्रेस सर यो कुरामा भन्ने कि अर्को कुरामा भन्नु हो?
मैले यही कुरामा भने
सर यहाँनिर त अब सर सक एब्जर्भर भनेको अब त्यो फ्यामिलीहरुमा सर कुनै अब प्रब्लमहरु आयो भने कसैलाई सर कोही बिरामीहरु भयो भने त्यस्तो बेलामा सर कसरी मेन्टली ह्यान्डल गर्ने अथवा सर कसरी हेल्प गर्ने त्यही कुरामा त होला सर इकोनोमिक कन्डिसन हेर्दा।
ल मानिलियो तिमी बाहिर गयो एकछिन, साथीहरुसँग तिम्रो ग्याङ फाइट भयो हो?
हजुर सर।
ग्याङ फाइट भयो, तिमीले सिक्री लगाएको थियो, चेन लगाएको थियो, चेन पनि लस भयो।
हजुर सर।
तिम्रो हात पनि एउटा फ्र्याक्चर भयो।
हजुर सर।
तिमी घरमा आयौ।
हजुर।
हो, घरमा आइसकेपछि अब फ्यामिलीले के गर्छ थियो तिमीलाई? तँ बलियो भएको गाली गर्छ कि के गर्छ भन त?
सर अब सुरुमा त सर अब बिरामी भएपछि सर अब हात भाँच्यो भने सर त्यो उपचार गर्नु पर्यो सुरुमा त सर, झगडा गरे पनि। तर अनि अब हेल्थ सेक्युरिटी दियो फ्यामिलीबाट पाइन्छ सर। तर अनि त्यसपछि पुलिसलाई खबर गरेर सर
त्यही अवस्थामा तिमी अस्पताल गयौ फ्यामिलीलाई कन्सर्न नगरिकन।
हजुर सर।
केयर गर है। त्यही अवस्थामा तिमी अस्पताल गयौ फ्यामिलीलाई कन्सर्न नगरिकन, तिम्रो गोजीमा पैसा पनि थिएन।
हजुर। हजुर।
हो, अब त्यो टाइममा के हुन्छ?
सर गाह्रो हुन्छ साह्रै।
Okay, that's why the family is the shock observer to stress and strains of life. Okay, any stage of stress, whatever stress and whatever strain जे भएको होस्, ओके, जस्तो सुकै अवस्थामा उसले चाहिँ के अरे उसलाई स्ट्रेस परेको होस् र जुनसुकै घटना दुर्घटना जे भएको होस् हैन त्यो लाइफमा त्यो फ्यामिलीले
सर हाम्रो कलेजमा चाहिँ सर हाम्रो कलेजमा चाहिँ ओथले गर्छ है सर यस्तो पैसा नहुनेलाई।
ओथले
हाम्रो कलेजमा चाहिँ ओथले गर्छ।
दिन्छौ पैसा तिमीहरूले अनि ओथले गर्छ नि, तिमीहरूले पैसा नदिए के ओथले गर्छ?
पैसा धेरै हो सर।
पैसा दिएछ, सहानुभूति दिएछ हैन, गुड जब भन्देको छ हैन, चाहिँ हौसला दिएको छ तब न तिनीहरूले गर्छ हैन, नभए कसरी गर्छ? तिमीहरू नि त हो नि, यु आर द मेम्बर अफ द होस्ट।
यस सर।
हो अनि ओके, एनीवन स्ट्रेस, इलनेस, बर्थ, डेथ, फ्यामिलीमा त सबै थोक हुन्छ नि, इट विल ह्यापन्स इन द फ्यामिली। Okay, there will be stress, there will be illness, there will be birth, a new member will come. Okay, there will be death in the family. Okay, that is the multiple tensions. Okay, that is the multiple emotional upsets. Okay, worries, anxiety, and the economic insecurity. Okay, at that time also, families should carry out their function in different way. Okay, they will catch the situation. Okay, situational dealing will be there. Okay, at the same time, there will be birth. Okay, there is some if some this administrative problem, okay, there will be death occurs in the family, okay, and they how to deal that situation, okay. घरमा बिरामी छ, बुवा बिरामी भइरहेको छ हैन, अनि श्रीमती सुत्केरी भइरहेको छ हैन, अब के फल्ट भएछ त्यहाँनेरि चाहिँ तिमीले एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिभ डिलिङ, तिमीलाई अरेस्ट गर्नको लागि पुलिस पनि त्यहाँ आइरहेको छ, okay. At that time also that family should function. बर्थ पनि त्यही भइरहेछ हैन, अनदर पर्सनको डेथ भइरहेको छ, त्यहीको सिचुएसनमा एउटा चाहिँ पनि आइरहेको छ, के अरे तिमीलाई अरेस्ट गर्नको लागि पुलिस पनि आइरहेको छ, देन त्यो सिचुएसनमा तिमीले कसलाई प्राथमिकता दिने, कसरी डिल गर्छौ, and this situation will come in the family, okay. The family is the task to tension, there will be no same time, sometime it will happen the same time, right? Sometime it will happen, okay. That time also the family should deal, family should carry out their function. There is no alternative, there is no escaping way, okay. There is no escaping way. Then there is some emotional upsets will be there at that time, some worries will be there, okay, anxiety will come there, okay. Then in that time no money, no scarcity of money, then they cannot they think how to complete this task, okay, the family's task, okay. Imagine yourself also, not this is only the points, okay. Imagine other problems also in the family that should be carried out by the family member. In this situation, the family can provide an opportunity to both adults and children, okay. It can be counsel to relating the importance of the family, okay. Down in regard to this one, the tension, infirmity, emotional, okay, worries, at that time the family provide this counsel relating this for importance of life. Everything will happen, but the life is the most important, and how to protect life. After then, other development, other progress, other opportunity will come. If there is a life, that's why this lockdown. Government is given this security to people for the life, not for the progress. Government has given this opportunity for be life, living, okay, no progress. When there is a life, progress is needed. That's why your life is the most important. That's why, first of all, protect your life. That's why this lockdown is happening. In this situation, the family can provide an opportunity to both adult and children. It can be counsel different way. The case, just like the case of alcoholism, narcotic addiction are also reflection of trends, chronic diseases, peptic ulcer, colitis, high blood pressure, rheumatism, skin disease, etc. Okay, this kinds of situation also in the family. The family, one family member alcoholic, one family member narcotic disorder. Okay, there is some quarreling in the house. Okay, some the chronic diseases will occur by the alcohol or some this addiction. Okay, then there's some other problem, just the gastritis, peptic ulcer. Okay, some colitis. Then some this high blood pressure person. Then so this diabetic person, some rheumatism, skin disease, where the family member will occur. Then at that time, the responsibility of the family to care, to deal, and to protect life, and for if there is a life, the progress will be there. That's why this is the function of the family. Okay, you are going to understand. You are understand or not? You are hearing me? Hello. Ayush चुपचाप छ यार, खूब पढ्छ भनेको थियो खोइ आयुष अधिकारी. हेलो.
यस सर.
खोइ कहाँ हरायो त तिमी, उता छौ?
यहाँ अलिकलि स्थिति छ सर.
हरायो भने खोजेको नि तिमी, कता गयो भने अलमल्यौ कि त?
हैन सर, सुनिरहेको छु.
Hello, Tina. Tina. Bhanu Pratap. Hello, Bhanu Pratap. Bhanu Pratap गायब हो? Hello. Okay. The other function of the family is familial susceptibility to disease. Familial susceptibility disease. Then now I am asking about we are not going to your relative's house today nowadays. Hello. Why you are not going to relative's house today nowadays? Familial susceptibility to disease. Okay, if the one family are carrying some diseases, that family is susceptible for others family. Okay, in this situation, the family stop visiting to others' house, stop carrying out the function. Okay, then the family is the bridge of generate the genes. Okay, in this situation, not the genes only, this virus also. One family can generate the virus. That's why the one family is not visiting to other families. One family member is not visiting to other family member. These certain diseases are called, okay, gene inheritance, like color blindness. Okay, these are the familial disease. Familial disease, please understand this one. Familial disease. What are the familial disease? Okay, where one family can carry it out, the same types of a family will be free of this disease. Some diabetic family, the other family cannot be the diabetic. If there is a pool of genes of blood, if there is a pool, there can be chance of transfer of the disease. Like if the father is this father's genes transfer to the sons or daughter, that gene, that's why diabetes can occur. Okay, that's why in the marrying place or the formation of the family, these things will be considered. If person is this kinds of certain diseases, the other family can ignore this kind types of a family for this pool, or they discourage the marriage. Okay, like color blindness. This is also the genes, transformation through genes. That's why color blindness is disagreed. Okay, by other family members. Mental diseases, like psychological disease. Mental, there is a schizophrenic. Okay, mania. These kinds of diseases are counted as a psychological disease. This, if some family carry out these kinds of disease, it can be ignored by other family to form the family, or to keep the relation, genes relation to other family. Okay, diabetes, hemophilia, schizophrenia, psychoneurosis, and the communicable disease like TB, common cold, scabies, enteric fever, dysentery, measles, mumps, rubella, etc. These are also the familiar family. This dysentery is how to say the dysentery is the genes. Okay, then the colitis. Colitis is due to some these genes. That's why these are like a dysentery. Dysentery types of dysentery is there, must be have colitis. That's a this could be transfer to one member to other members. That's why this doing the marriage period. Okay, for doing the formation of the family, these things these families will be ignored by the pure family, or they who have no these kinds of diseases. But they can check it, they can confirm it, that after they keeping the relationship. Measles, rubella, okay. Due to the comments here, some are the sharing the environment. Okay, some diseases occur sharing the environment. Same these are the dysentery, measles, rubella are the like a corona. Okay, it can be transferred to the this common environment. If the environment is shared, this kinds of disease can be transferred. It can be communicated. Okay, incidence of the congenital malformation is higher among offspring in the consanguineous as compared to the non-consanguineous marriage. Okay, what is consanguineous marriage and what is unconsanguineous marriage? Hello? Hello? Bhaskar? Rajol, can you answer? What is consanguineous marriage and what is non-consanguineous marriage?
ब्लड रिलेसन सेम भएकोसँग बिहे होला
एउटै ग्रुपमा एउटा हाम्रो गोत्र भन्ने गर्छौं नि एउटै गोत्रमा बिहे गर्यो भनेदेखि दिस consanguineous family they if that kinds of disease are not in that family but this from the consanguineous family this kinds of disease can occur. There are blood mutation or the mutation of the bloods or the genes that can these kinds of disease can be occurred. Okay, and that like now how the corona develops. Many doctors are saying this is the mutation of this virus. Okay, the genesis of the from where it is communicated, from which animal or any from which lab till date, from the 6 month of 6 to 8 months this old as a not to find out this how this disease occurred. Okay, how it is communicated, from where it is started, till date it is not confirmed. Okay, this the same type of this communicable disease sharing an environment. Okay, this disease are occurred. Okay, then from this consanguineous marriage, this color blindness. Okay, schizophrenia, psychosis, some diabetic diseases are occurring. Like the sickle cell anemia. This is sickle cell anemia is a familial disease. Okay, some families remains due to this consanguineous marriage. Then which community has this sickle cell anemia? Can you explain? In Nepal, which community has this sickle cell anemia? Anyone?
Tharo community, sir.
Tharo community. Why?
Sir, because they live in Torai region and Torai region have more mosquitoes हुन्छ त्यही भएर अनि त्यो मलेरिया उयसमा पोजिटिभ हुन्छ सर त्यो सिकल सेल.
It is mostly not related to the malaria. This is consanguineous marriage will occur there, and the Tharu community, Tharu can marry to Tharu. Then this disease will remain this moving to one family to other families. This is also the genes or the consanguineous marriage. Relative will from the gene it will communicate. That's why we have. I think other community has a sickle cell anemia, but the common community is the Tharu community. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now the 7th function of the family is the like a broken family. How to manage the broken family? What is broken family? First of all, and how to manage the broken family? What types of hazards will provide the society by the broken family? Okay, it is very common. This MCQ and the very common for the SAQ. Okay, then the broken family, problem family, Bartter baby syndrome. Okay, the Bartter baby syndrome, broken family, this problem family is very common. Okay, for the MCQ and SCQ. And what is broken family? Broken family is that types of a family, parents separated from the children. Anyway, death or divorce, parents separated. from the child. Broken means not going the one family. There are multiple family in the house. One family go other places to reside. That is not the broken. Okay. One family go to the other sides and reside. That is not the separated family. Okay. Then the separated means child is separated. Parents are separated from the child. Either death or divorce of the parents of the children. Death or divorce. Please understand it. If you could not, please ask me question. Okay. This is very, very common for the Bible also. This is very, very common for SAQ and very common for the this MCQ also. That's why this some mental deprivation is the most dangerous pathogenic factors in the child development. In where this broken family child regarding the child, this kinds of this deprivation of the most dangerous pathogenic factors in child development. Okay, the broken family in this situation will remain in broken family. The victimized child from the broken family may drift way to prostitution, crime, and vagrancy. Okay, these types of the broken family is the falcon place or the virgin place for the develop these kinds of ethical, unethical, or the ill activities or social problems. The formation of the social problems that this in broken family this problem will be formed like a prostitution. Because there is no any opportunity, no any foods, no any care, take care person. That kinds of family member, crime person can fall in prostitution, can fall in crime, and so can fall in drug addiction, vagrancy, etc. That's why they will provide the broken family will provide this opportunity to fail or to destroy or to drift of life also sometimes. In this period sometime gene will be drift. Gene will be lost because of this broken family. That's why divorce, separation and divorce, very, very important task to take care by the society. This is that person, that divorce family is providing the ill person to the family, to the society. Though there is if no take care of any take care person, the child, that child can be anything. Okay, you will be the sometime she will be sometime dangerous for the society. That's why it should be take care by some authority to protect some these kinds of coming on events on thinking or the unavoidable situations. Okay, okay. The 8 problems of the family. The function of the family is problem family. Okay, what is problem family? Broken family. Okay, broken family is the unavoidable situation. But the problem family is, what types of family is the problem family? Okay, sometimes lag behind family. Sometimes it is called the lag behind family. Okay, disadvantage family. Problem family means disadvantage family, lag behind family. Okay, the problem family cannot provide the basic needs, physical, emotional, to their child. The homely life. Okay, they are extremely poor and the relationship of any backgrounds. There are no relatives of providing any help. Okay, poverty, illness, okay, mental and emotional, anything they are instability, characters, defects, and the maternal disharmony factors are associated. At that time, for this easy understanding, if the parents could not provide the basic needs of the child, if the parents could not provide, search the next way to get that things. Okay, they will not burden of their any misbehave like this thipping, prostitution, okay, any rapes, okay, anything. Then they therefore to get their needs or to fulfill their needs. Okay, anyway, they want to fulfill their needs. They will act on ethical works. That is the problem family. Then they now separate it. Then you differentiate it, broken family and the problem family. Okay, which is this can be, the problem can be avoidable, the problem families. The broken family cannot avoidable situation. Okay, problem family can avoidable. It can be avoided, but the other person, community people will know with the disadvantage, with not the family is in starvation. That starvation can be solved providing some food supplements and some economic help. Okay, that that disharmony can be loosened. Okay, that disharmony can be less. That they can be we can that kinds of a family will, if that family that can get some opportunity, this problem family can be avoid. Okay, then how to rehabilitate this kinds of situation if it occurs. How to rehabilitation service should be provided to the family. Otherwise, it will fall into the unexpected crime. Okay, this problem family is also the platform, background to be the criminal person. They will provide the this like a fields, okay, to supplement of the criminal persons. Unexpected, sometimes this would be unexpected desire, but there are some basic desire, basic needs and unexpected desired needs. It is different. And this is the basic needs. If the person is a fulfill of the basic needs, then it can be reduce of this kinds of situation. Okay, okay. The family can play the vital role, okay, to protect the children from such kinds of problems to the adults and child in society. This is way. In this way, family is the fulcrum of health services. Okay, then that's why the family is the hospital, family is the playground, family is the platform, family is the home, okay, for the children. And the family can provide the health services also. The child's hospital is a family. Okay, family member will know about these things. Okay, that's why the version of the foreign Florence Nightingale, the secret of national health lies in the homes of the people. That's why it is told the secret of national health. What times of nation, what is the condition of the people, and when the person visits in the family, okay, then the situation will provide the family. National situation will provide by the family. That's why the Florence Nightingale has given this line. The secret of national health lies in homes of the people. Okay, today's, I think this is the last slide. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
कस्तो छ, बुझिन्छ? Can you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then I think you have note some line, and you have if you are participating in my lecture, this lecture has given your 85 to 90% of the materials. But if you copy these slides, you will get only 20 to 25% only. Okay. And who have not participated in my lecture, very difficult to understand this materials through books, through others materials, or through other copies, other notes. Okay. Okay, Prajwal. Prajwal. Hello. Prajwal.